did we do before fidget cubes? I love these things. Copper PLA. The talk today is my Bazzelworks about. This is an update on the Bazzelrollers. The Bazzelrollers. 9173. It's an old one. These are printed in PLA Plus. But today I'm going to talk about a little update to these, the bearings, TPU, materials management, how to store and keep your stuff fresh and keep track of it. Well, let's get started. These Bazzelrollers, a lot of different comments on them in different places. If you're going to make up your own model for these, make sure that you leave this hole in here. The hole going through it allows a lot of strength for this post. We have multiple ones. Every time that I take a spool out of here, I test it. The rollers, make sure they're still spinning well. And what I found is a couple of the original designs, this post had snapped off when it first got started, so I started putting a hole all the way through it. None of these with a hole in them have snapped off and dropped down. They'll still work, but then the spool drags on there. Ones with the post don't work. Sorry, the ones without the hole in the post don't work. What I'm planning on doing, this model was done years ago. When I first got started in modeling, so it really does need an update. I looked at it to print out some more the other day. Although my G-code, moving it over to another printer, slicing it again, I found that it's got a lot of faces that don't need to be there, so I'm going to simplify that model. Diameters on these are critical in a sense, the diameters, the lengths, because if you get too wide, when it goes into the 21 cup thing, it'll bind right here. I've got a couple of spools here that I've had to chew off. Here's one, and here you can see it. Actually ground with the Dremel, a little chamfer on there, so that way it wasn't pinching the roller, because this length was just a little bit too long, and this was just a little bit too long, so it was squeezing here when I went down into the. What I use in here is I'll take these bearings. The original skateboard bearings come with skateboard grease in them. What I found is this silicone works really well. Water resistant silicone, not that it's you can have any water in there, but I'll soak these bearings in some of that silicone for a bit. Take them out, dry them off with a paper towel. Give them some spins, maybe put them back in if they're still feeling a little gummy. And then you wind up with, this is one that's, you can see the lines on it, where the spool's been dragging because the bearing's just been hanging up just slightly. Just slightly. So this one needs to be reworked, although these bearings feel pretty good. Those rollers must have been from a previous regular ones. But they should wind up like this. And you hear that? These spin without any. So that'll put no drag, just enough, only the spooling drag on there. Everything you want is a bunch of silicate. Silicate desiccant. I use this dry and dry, premium quality silicate desiccant. It's easy for you to say. Silicate desiccant. It's color changes from blue to pink or orange to green, depends on the packing, what's in there. To recharge them, just put them in the oven at 200 degrees for an hour or change. You can weigh them and see if you did, but I usually just bake them for an hour. These have been baked at least once. And then I'll take and swap these out. These will get baked. Anything you take out of the spool, any spool you take out of the 21 cuppers, always seal them. Vacuum sealer, really cheap. Ziploc one, works really well. The 12-inch bags do not work well for spools. I cut these to 14 inches. You can see it's on there, cut bags to 14 inches. So that way I remember, I'll just buy the entire a roll of this and then cut these. The 12s will work, but it's really kind of difficult to get it in there to seal. Better to have a little extra material, this extra material here. Throw desiccant in here before you seal these up. That way, I can keep these old spools for other projects. I use a lot of TPU. The Saint Smart is one of my favorites, along with Yo-Yoy. Yo-Yoy's a little cheaper. Been having real good results with it. Yo-Yoy. It comes in 800 gram rolls on a 200 gram spool. And what I will do is, I'll measure this roll in this spool. I measured it already. It's about 990 something. About 1,000 grams. Have some desiccant. First, check the bearings. Make sure they're spinning nice. Make sure it's happy. Make sure it fits in real well. This one does. 3 or 4 cents. You can't have too much. It's much better to absorb the moisture than it is to spools then just sit right in here. Look at that spin. Perfect. Just enough drag from the spool. Oh, running backwards. Flip this around. And to keep track of how much you've got on here is incredibly simple. I've seen a lot of different attempts at how to track how much filament is on your spool. Well, it's easy. I'm going to feed this in here. Of course, I run it out to about, I don't know, 3/4 of a meter probably. Depends on, I was putting a meter on here. They seem to be too long. This is probably 750. 2 foot for Americans, eh? Put that on there, clamp it off. Now, we go weigh this whole thing. So we weigh it, we find out that it weighs 16, 18 with this desiccant in there, and that's roller and the box, 16, 18. That's some tags I made up. You can duplicate this or make up whatever you'd like. I thought I had written this one down already. There you go. Gone with the Schwinn. But what I'll do is this. I'll put the manufacturer, what color it is, what material it is, when it was purchased, when it was opened, what they claim it weighs, what the spool weighs, how much the new spool weighed, and then a total weight of the entire box with the spool in it. Makes it very, very, very easy then to keep track of. Oh, here we go. Makes it really easy to keep track of how much is left on the spool. If we had 800 grams and the whole thing weighs 1,600 grams, and as soon as we get down near 800, anything, subtract 800 grams from whatever this weighs at any time, and you'll know exactly how much is left on the spool. Very, 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 very simple. You print out some big things. I like TPU. You print out some, these are some ladder protectors. Print out some big things. You need to know whether you got that 200, 250 grams on there, or if you've got running off multiple sheets of a thing. I use different color tags, different color tethers. The blue ones are all TPU. White. There's some PLA up here. The red over here is all PLA plus. The black over there is ABS. They're very inexpensive. You can get 10 million of these for a nickel. I think. Come in a big block like this. Badge holders. Link will be below. The tethers, again, really cheap. It makes it very, very easy to pick out. Okay, well, this is orange TPU. It's orange. This, I know how much it weighs. I can weigh it at any time and see exactly how much it weighs. Very easy way to manage your materials. Keep them clean, keep them dry, keep all the crud out of it. and know exactly how much is on the roll at any time. Don't forget to get yourself a red copper cup. These things are fantastic. Use them in the RV. They're on something plastic. They don't tip over. All you got to do is lift them up. They hold the carbonation. Keep it hot, keep it cold. Most of the day, they're really pretty incredible. I bet I've got about a dozen of these now. The only problems that I've got is this black part here. The seal actually wears out over time from opening and closing. The nicest part, if you're working any kind of shop, is that this keeps this part clear. It's a great design. That way, what you drink out of is always clean. And it keeps the carbonation in. There's an O-ring in here. A little hook knife, a little hook pick, and pick that out when you wash them once in a while. And boy, can't say enough good things about them. The overview, Bazzelrollers, update, leave the posts with holes in them. Check your bearings, make sure that your sizes are correct on this, so that way it's not pinching in the roller. Use the desiccant, seems to work pretty good. And use badge holders with different colored tethers to let you know what materials are in the dry box and how much you've got in there and how much you got left. Did you get it all? I think we did. Took all kinds of eyeball stuff out of it, TPO. I love this stuff.